Fix in 5. Let's decode P0272. P0272 means the engine control module detected a malfunction in the fuel. Causes, symptoms, the fix, and what it costs. This is the part where you stop reading and call someone. First, the symptoms. Engine misfire or rough idle. Verify with OBD2 scanner. Live misfire counters, reduced fuel economy, typically 10 to 20% drop. Verify with fuel consumption calculation over known distance, loss of power during acceleration. Verify with test drive under load, note RPM response, engine stalling or hard start. Verify with cranking voltage test. Now the most likely causes. Injector wiring harness damage or corrosion, most frequent. Inspect for burn marks or broken insulation. Faulty fuel injector. B cylinder, internal coil failure or stuck plunger. Typically 10 to 16 ohms cold resistance. One mistake to avoid. Driving with this code is limited and generally not recommended. While the engine may still run, ongoing operation with a cylinder contribution imbalance can severely damage your engine and catalytic converter over time. Continued driving M. Here's how a pro pins it down. Read all stored codes with an OBD2 scanner and note free. Clear the code, then perform a test drive while monitoring. Inspect wiring and connectors for cylinder 4 injector 4. Test injector 4's operation using an automotive stethoscope. Check cylinder 4's compression to rule out mechanical issue. On petrol engines, inspect the spark plug and ignition coil. What does it cost? Roughly 45 to 150 euros doing it yourself, or 165 to 270 euros at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How to fix it? Replace fuel injector cylinder 4. Repair or replace damaged wiring harness. Clean fuel injector connector and apply dielectric grease. Replace fuel filter if clogged. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask, how much does it cost to fix P0272? Repairing P0272 typically ranges from 150 euros to 800 euros plus depending on the root cause, labor rates in your region, and whether OEM or aftermarket parts are used. Professional diagnosis is strongly recommend. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro. Fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0272. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.